Hey guys, my name is Basith, aka the Content Prince, and I'm 16 years old and I run a content creation agency. So I would love to give a huge shout out to Alejandro, aka All-in-One Entrepreneur. And I've been trying to make some money off online for a couple of years now. I have tried two or 3 years, I believe. I have tried dropshipping, IG theme pages, YouTube automation, and most of them actually failed, and I made zero money out of them. Then I came across Alejandro and I really thank myself that I started working with him, because within 4 days of joining him, I made 1.2k dollars in sales, which is a complete profit for me. And it's a huge number for me because compared to what I was working in the past, it's completely insane because I made no money within my past. So anyone out there who wants to join him, please do not rethink, and you can go completely all in and crush it with him. And Alejandro, about him, he's completely insane. He's a mastermind behind this, and he teaches skills which are not at all available in the whole IT marketplace. So just go with it, and anyone out there who wants to join him, good luck.